Hi guys, this assignment is going to be something new and fun, and I know you guys have a paper like this, and what I want you to do is I want you to color your paper nicely, and then we will cut your pieces out so they will then look like this. And what we're going to do, going to get creative with you guys. What we're going to do is we are going to put these in alphabetical order. So alphabetical sounds like the alphabet. And what we're going to do is we're going to look for the word that has the closest letter to A. So do you see any A words? No. Do you see any words that start with B? No. C, D, E, we're getting closer. F. Does anybody see any words that start with the letter F? That's right. We have flag. Oh, you can put it up here, huh? Flag. And so that is going to be the first word I write on my alphabetical paper for my ABC order. So when you're putting things in ABC order, you're going just like the alphabet. So my first letter word is going to be flag. My F needs to start right there. You're going to come up, touch the top line, come all the way down to the bottom and cross. Your L needs to start from the top, pull all the way down. Your A goes back around like the letter C, up, down, and your G is going around like the letter A, come up and go below, down. I want you to make sure your G goes down here. This isn't only alphabetical, but it's also handwriting practice, so make sure you're doing that correct. So we have the word flag. Now, which one of these pictures, what letter comes after F? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Are there any pictures that start with G? Yes. The next one that we see is the word gold. So you're going to take your paper, you're going to go down to number 2, and we're going to write the word gold. So your G goes around like the letter A, up, down. Really work on your letters. This is a great opportunity to work on your handwriting. Your O is going to go around backwards, starting up by the dotted line. Your L starts from the top, pulled down, and your D goes around like the letter C, up and all the way down. So we went A, B, C, D, E, F, G.